Hello, my name is Brian Roth. I'm a member of the American Chestnut Foundation, and I'm here to tell you a story, an inspirational journey about TRICO and the restoration of the American chestnut to its native range. The American chestnut was a keystone species in eastern North America, a very valuable tree for providing food for wildlife, for people, the fiber for homes, wood for building, etc. But the species was suffering from an invasive blight that was introduced in the late 1800s to North America from Asia. The American chestnut is similar to its cousins in Asia and Europe. However, it does not have any resistance to this Asian blight. Within 50 years, the blight spread through the entire native range, decimating the population. Up to 4 billion trees died. The work of the American Chestnut Foundation has been involved in breeding, biocontrol, and biotechnology to restore this species. Through the work of thousands of volunteers, they've developed seedlings that can go into the restoration effort. TRICO is an important part of this restoration effort, as the deer are favored to eat the chestnut trees that are being restored. So this is something that we're researching and putting in field trials in North America. With the help of TRICO and CWSDA, we'll be able to restore this species, which will become a model for restoration of other species in North America and around the world. If you have any questions about the American Chestnut Foundation or the restoration effort, you can contact them at the website address below.